What's up everyone? Welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the keeps vibrating issue on your Honor smartphone. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on sounds and vibration. Now in sounds and vibration, scroll down and here click on notification tone and then click on this vibration option on the top and then select none. After selecting none, your phone will stop vibrating on notification alerts. But after customizing this setting, if you are still facing the vibration issue, then tap on settings, scroll down to the end and click on system and updates and then tap on software update, and from here check if your phone software is up to date or not. So if your software is not up to date, then update the phone's software to the latest version, and after updating the phone software the vibration issue will be fixed. But if you're still facing the issue, then the last solution is open settings again, scroll down to the end and click on system and updates and then click on reset. Now click on reset all settings and then again click on this reset all settings option to confirm. So when you will click on this option, it will reset all your mobile settings, but it will not delete any data from your phone. And after resetting the settings, the vibration issue will be 100% fixed. So that's how you can fix the keeps crashing issue on your keeps vibrating issue on your Honor smartphone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.